Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Core's Life. So today I'm going to be showing you how to recreate this makeup look. It's a great natural makeup look to wear to an Indian celebration or an Indian party. So if you're interested, keep watching. At the end of the video, I'll also show you the outfit I'm wearing, which is a traditional lehenga. So stay tuned for that. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this video. Thank you. Hi everyone, let's get started with this makeup look. So to start, I'm going to be using this Vitabrid C12 dual drop serum. So I just like to place a few drops around my face. This serum is perfect for brightening your skin, reducing some fine lines, and it also just creates a hydration layer underneath. Next, I'm going to be using this lip treatment by Hanale. I might be butchering that name a little bit, but I just like to apply it on my lips and just moisturize it in. Next, I'm going to be using the CeraVe moisturizing cream. I really like this because it's not greasy and it feels light on your skin. So I just apply a few drops and just mix it in nicely. This is the Bye Bye Under Eye Full Coverage Concealer by IT Cosmetics. I'm just placing a few drops and using a concealer brush to mix it in. I really like this concealer because it works great at covering up those under eye circles, and also it is waterproof if you need that extra benefit. Since I'm going for a more neutral look today, I'm using the Natural Eyes palette by Nordstrom. So I'm going to be using the colors Nude Shimmer, Gold, and Copper. I'm just starting off by applying the lightest color all over my eyelid, and then I'm going to start applying the second color, which is Gold, to the middle half of the eyelid, and then I will go ahead and apply the third color, which is Copper, towards the edge of the eyelid. You don't have to worry about being too precise with this eyeshadow application because we're going to be using the other end of the eyeshadow brush, which is used to blend out the eyeshadow colors. Okay, so I'm going to work on lining the eyes. Here I'm using the Insanely Intense Tattooed Waterproof Eyeliner by Saucony. This is a felt tip liner. So I'm going to be showing you how I like to line my eyes. I usually like to start at the center and extend in small segments. Just make a rough line and then smooth it out at the end. For today's look, I'm going for a slightly winged eye. So once I create that wing, I just like to extend it down to the lower eyelid so it merges in nicely with my lower lashes. Next, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On eyeliner. So I like to place this around my lower lash line, and in between my applications I just blink a few times to allow it to extend to my upper lash line. I'll be using mascara on top too, so I don't want to have too much of a dramatic look. So for my foundation, I'm going to be using the Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Full Coverage Foundation by Tarte. I like to apply a few drops around my face and use the beauty blender to just blend it in. You want to make sure that you extend it to your neck just to make sure that there is no discrepancy in the color. After blending in the liquid foundation, I'm going to use this Aveda Mineral Loose Powder just to set in that foundation. I'm going to make sure that I spread it all around my face with this powder brush. Next, I'm going to be using this Lights Camera Lashes by Tarte Cosmetics. I really love this mascara because it creates nice dramatic lashes. I personally don't like using fake lashes, and this mascara works great at creating that dramatic eye look that you get if you put on the fake lashes. So once I'm done working on my eyes, I like to move on to my eyebrows. So here I'm just using the brown shade in the Natural Eyeshadow Palette by Nordstrom. Since I already have prominent eyebrows, I just like to use a little bit of eyeshadow to fill them in instead of going in with an eyebrow pencil. Next, I'm going to be using the Moonchild Glow Kit by Anastasia. This is their highlighter palette, and I'm going to be using the shade Blue Ice. So I'm just going to be taking a little bit on my brush and applying it to the cheekbones just to highlight those spots, and a little bit around my nose. Next, I'm going to be using the DLS blush in the shade Kitty Pink to give a little bit of color on my cheeks. Okay, so I'm gonna complete this makeup look by this lip color by Half Caked called Loverboy. So I really love the shade of this lip color. It comes on in a glossy consistency but sets in a somewhat matte consistency. So to set this all in place, I'm going to be using the Ultimate Hydration Essence Energizing Mist by Olay. I'm just going to spray it in and let it dry, just air it off until it dries fully. With that, the makeup look comes to an end, so you can finish getting ready. I'm going to start by placing a bindi on. So I really like using these plain design bindis, so I'm going to place that on the center of my face. I'm also going to start putting on my earrings and tikka. So the tikka is just a traditional head jewelry that is worn. You can also go ahead and do your hair as you like. I'm gonna go for a half up, half down look with this outfit. So this is the completed outfit. I really love the color contrast in this lehenga. I hope you guys enjoyed my video and the makeup tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for more makeup looks. Thank you.